What arrived today? This is going to be a future commission. And definitely different than horses. And you know I like to do a variety of different things. And this is going to be another very different. Ooh, oh, this is cute. Gotta love these little guys. That's a little cleanup on this. So we have a little Chinese crested dog. Oh my God, just too cute. Let me back this up a little bit. Is this not the cutest thing? This particular client, I've done a couple of other little resin figures, Chinese crested dogs for her, and this is a 3D print. Got some cleanup I gotta do, but oh my gosh, too cute. So quite like horses, I put in the same amount of detail with the paintwork as I would, obviously. And I'll have to ask her. I think for some reason, I think the dog she wants me to paint may have been one of hers, and I apologize if I'm not remembering correctly, but the first two that I had done for her were portraits of her dogs. So I'm going to assume that this is also going to be one of hers. But I'll have to see. Maybe this will be another one that I'll do some tutorials on. I mean, painting a likeness of a real dog. And being that this is a 3D print, how I would handle prep and priming and paint work on a figure like this. Okie dokie, that's it for now.